Hello children, welcome to today's online art class. In today's class, let me teach you how to draw this cute little monkey. So let's see how to do that. To draw a monkey, first let me draw two curved lines as shown. This becomes the face of the monkey. Now let me draw its cheeks, just drawing curved lines as shown. Just draw a C shape, come down, go back to inverted C shape. Now draw a circle around its face. This becomes the head. Now draw its ears. Once I have done with the ears, let me draw its body. To draw a body, just draw an oval shape upon the head. Then draw two sleeping lines followed by two curved lines which goes up as shown to make its leg. Now draw its feet using some curved line and short lines. Now let me draw its tail using two parallel lines and draw a branch as shown, drawing two parallel lines and again extend its tail in a circular manner. Now for extra detailing, add some leaves here and there. Now let us draw its monkey's hand using parallel lines and some strokes to make its fingers. Now draw two circles for his eyes and small circles and fill in with black color to make his eyeballs. Now make an oval shape for his nose and a straight line followed by curved lines for his mouth. Now just draw a U shape to finish his mouth. This completes our picture, children. A cute monkey is ready. Now let's see how to color it. I color the branch of the tree and leaves with green and yellow shade. Let me color his tail and legs with brown color. His head and hands with brown color. Next, I use skin color or peach color to color his feet, his body, face and hands. By this we complete the coloring of the monkey, children. Hope this was easy and you learned how to draw a monkey in an easy technique. Until I meet you next time with a new concept, take a very good care of your health and bye for now.